Get that.
Go on, Luna, get him. Get him, Luna.
Say, why they hating on the young, huh? Nigga, you can't hang, you ain't gang, gang. You can't hang, nigga, you can't hang, you ain't gang, gang. Nigga, you can't hang, you can't hang, hang. You can't hang, you ain't gang, gang. Bitch on my OT.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another beautiful, awesome, positive vlog. Just left home, just now. So today it's a blur day. I call it a blur day because there's nothing that's planned to do today. But right now I'm heading over to Anthony's house. We're gonna chill. We're gonna probably get into something. I don't know. We might go Rodeo Drive. I don't really know. There's a lot of stuff that's been happening. Like yesterday, which is, well, the vlog that you guys watched today, which is yesterday, that you're watching. Okay, you get what I'm saying. But yeah, that was pretty amazing. That was pretty cool that I met Ruben. So I was so happy, and I was like, oh my gosh, you know, I couldn't believe it was him. And I would say that's like the first major YouTuber I ever met, like out in Hollywood, really, or anywhere. I saw the guy from Danny Duncan's video. You guys know Danny Duncan 69. He has a big fan base. He's a pretty cool guy, honestly. And I saw the guy who does the jumps out on Hollywood Strip, and I couldn't believe it. I was like, dude, you know, and he's pretty cool. I guess people, like, I don't know. I thought that people would do stuff with a camera, like they only act a certain way because they're on camera, but he's pretty cool. But yeah, it's a pretty hot day out, as you can see. The sun is over there, and I wear white. I'm wearing some white Forces, some khaki joggers, and a white t-shirt. I chose to wear white because it was hot, and white is like a very versatile color also. Anything can go with white. That's why I choose to wear it. But yeah, I'm trying to get to Anthony's house at moderate time. Like it just seems so bummed out right now. It's like super heated, and I'm trying. I hope you guys have been having a good day though, and a good school year for you guys who are in school. I appreciate y'all so much for watching my videos and being a part of the time traveling family. So that's also my thank you to you all. That's my appreciation to you guys. My appreciation. But I'm gonna head to Anthony's house now, and I will let you guys know once I get there. Deuces. Okay, so we at Anthony's house right now. I'm going to go wash the car, and yeah, you guys can see me with my shirt off for the first time. But you're not seeing a whole lot, so yeah. But Steven's about to. Steven, you leaving?
Yeah, he's going to his house.
Alright, bye,
Hey,
Steven.
you going to your house, right? In a bit. Oh, an hour now.
Okay, so yeah, we got Anthony over here.
The new tattoo. Somewhere.
Oh, he got the. Oh yeah, you got a shun the tat.
Oh, there you go. Here, do it like that. Better.
He's the goat. So I'm about to go wash this car, and yeah, I guess I'm gonna make a time lapse about it so you guys can see me washing the car or whatever else. This is the before.
You can time lapse it, that'd be dope.
And this is the aftermath. As you guys can see, I got it pretty cleaned up there.
Damn, he scratched my car too. Look at that.
Oh, you wish. You sick son of a gun.
All right here.
Oh.
Shit.
You wish that was me.
Justice.
And that's Anthony there. Talking about scratched his car. But yeah, so you guys get to see me wash your car for the first time over here in the US. This is the last time I'm washing your car. I'm done. I'm done with it.
It's gonna be his new job, his new career.
Fuck no. So now I'm about to put back on my clothes again, and I will see you guys once I'm done. We back in this bitch. God. Okay, so we inside. Well, yeah, we're all inside again. I got my outfit back on and everything. That was a quick switch. We're gonna play some Call of Duty multiplayer with your boy Anthony. I'm gonna whoop his ass. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys. I'm gonna let you guys watch this game. Watch it as it goes down, and then like, I want you to comment, Anthony's a loser. Okay? Let's just put it like that. Wait, are we doing free for all?
Oh, see, look, that sounds like the voice of a scared man.
No, that sounds like the voice of there's gonna be a lot of bots around.
Alright, we'll see.
Oh shoot! Oh yeah, I'm gonna wait till you're done.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Welcome back, guys. We are here. Okay, so we're going to round one. We're going to round one right now. We're on the 605. We got Steven with us.
What's up, bro?
We got Paul and we got Anthony in front there. Yeah, so we're gonna go to round one. I'll let you guys know once we get there. Okay, so we out here at round one right now. It's super loud in here. And we got Steven over there. So you guys can actually meet Steven like on a basis. So this is Steven. This is a full face of Steven here. And like right now, we're just looking at games. We're gonna play some bowling. We're gonna get some bowling in there too. Okay, so right now we're making our names. I'm gonna be BBCJ.
BBCJ?
Yeah. Okay, so we're making our names right now. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but those names. C has to work.
No, she's not working. No.
God damn it. Okay, hold up. Wait.
It's not working, dude.
Dude, you sure?
Yeah,
Press it.
Dude, I'm pressing it. Every other one.
Okay, you can do that. BBK.
BBKP?
BBKJ. Okay, so we just made our names. We're out here playing not volleyball, we're playing bowling.
Alright, go.
I got the Yeezys 2018s out with jeans. Paul got the Yeezys. Look at the Yeezys. Oh my gosh, the Yeezys are real. Okay.
I'm P Daddy. You might want to get next.
Okay, so we're gonna play a game of bowling right now.
I'm P Daddy.
We're gonna play bowling right now, and yeah. We got Poppy going. Oh, Steven's Poppy.
I'm P Daddy.
Is it focusing? Is it focusing? Do you guys wanna follow? What's your Snapchat? Say it.
Hold on.
Say your Snapchat, nigga.
Hold on. Follow me at A Pablo.
Is it like doing it?
LA Quest.
Okay, you can follow Paul at LA Quest.
Yeah, you can screenshot this if you want.
Dude, is it even